this strategist, Steve Bannon, he described it as flooding the zone, or
Yeah.
what he said was noise. You should be
Mm-mm.
able to we should be able to uh, discern whether this issue, katulad ng isang nag-comment dyan na kahit yung 500 peso Noche Buena, that is also a distraction.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's really kasi that's noise. Kasi ganito yun eh. Mainstream media is 24/7. You know, they have a news cycle. If you
Mm.
keep up with so much controversies, they won't have enough time, or they can't devote enough time to give like a detailed explanation or summary of this issue na dapat may na issue na we should be concerned with. Imbis na yun, there's like other sub issues or whatever na, so it's really noise. And I think it's our job as DDS vloggers, as commentators, to be the noise control, discern ano ba talaga yung mahalagang story here, and to see,
Yeah.
is this just noise